How to download Domino's Pizza app on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Here, click on Search at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to the search bar at the top and search Domino's Pizza. Here, you'll find different Domino's Pizza options as for your country. As you can see, Domino's Pizza Delivery UK, Domino's Pizza MENA, and Domino's Pizza Azerbaijan. According to this, you can simply click on it and then press on install and install the app. And after you do this, it will be installed. You can open the app, sign in, and you're good to go. This is how to download Domino's Pizza app on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.